It's a nice camera. I don't want to break your lens.
Huh?
I don't want to break your lens.
Alright, so just be natural, you know.
There's nothing natural about me.
Filmmaker Trevor Sims embarked on a journey to create a narrative fictional film about a homeless street fighter named T-Bird who breaks up a child trafficking ring. While in production, he spent much time at ground zero of the Bologna Creek homeless community. He would give a homeless person $5 to allow them to film him. He learned that $1 was never enough, and $10 would get too expensive too soon.
That's a weird camera.
It's a wide angle. So it sees a lot. It says really wide stuff.
The man asking about the camera is named Psycho.
Yeah, just act like I'm not here. Like, what would you be doing?
I didn't know she were here today.
The Bologna Creek Wetlands is an ecological wildlife reserve in Los Angeles, California.
I love it down here, yo.
Yeah, you want to live down here, though.
A few hours after this guy was given the $5, he was found like this. So, this is the story of how a young filmmaker harnessed the power of the homeless to make an authentic piece of cinematic art. People who have seen early cuts of the film oftentimes ask, is this real or staged? Is this real? This is Kenny. Kenny is returning home from a trip to the local grocery store.
Go ahead. No, you.
That's how I get.
Huh?
These guys might get mad.
No, I was here yesterday.
Okay.
I know most of them.
All right.
I'll pay them all money. You know? I'll help everybody out.
Entering into the encampment grounds, you'll see several campsites. Like the nomads and the Native Americans of America's past, the tent life is characterized by the constant need to migrate. Permanent structures aren't tolerated in this environment, so the homeless are always facing the predicament of eviction. The constant noise of car engines blaring by from the nearby roads is the sound that accompanies this lifestyle, often drowning out the natural tone of the birds and the breeze that the fortunate often hear. Nearby apartments go for $2,000 a month at the lowest. The nearest houses, a couple million. Here in the wetlands, it's free.
Which place you going to?
Kenny lives a hard life, but it's tolerable today.
With the people you're going to, I might have not have met them.
Damn me.
The dirt path and the bags of trash are symptoms of the lifestyle, where running water and plumbing aren't commodities these people get to live with. There are designated holes for going to the bathroom. A city-ran cleanup crew make weekly appearances to take out the trash.
Lady, it's okay.
Kenny seemed to be worried that the dog was going to attack Trevor. The dog steals something from the bag, and then they go into the camp. This particular encampment had it all. Shelves, spices, cookware, radios, and a dog named Sadie.
That's a cool dog.
Yeah, that's Sadie.
It's a cool spot.
For a human, it may not be the best life, but for a dog, it's the ultimate freedom. No fence, no leash, open range.
Bringing you a privacy.
That's a cool-ass dog.
Sadie brings a welcoming gift to Trevor and gets a bit upset that he didn't take it from her. Right on the side of the 90 freeway, The land is owned by the advertising companies who put up the big billboards you see going down the highway. With a slight slice in the fence, this place became homeless paradise. Kenny's looking for something.
Maybe bike basket. Aha.
He found it. A package of cigars.
Still 2 cigars, too. Very good.
We're good, he said, happily.
What was your name?
Kenny?
Kenny. I'm Trevor.
Trevor.
I think you're gonna be the co-star, man.
Yeah.
Because I remember you when I was making my first movie, man. I remember you distinctly. I was over in Venice.
Well, yeah, on Venice Beach.
And then I saw you at Ralph's.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember you making a movie.
So,
What do you do with them?
it was on Amazon.
Yeah. Right on.
I gotta run. What was your last name, Kenny?
Kenny Peabody.
Is it okay if we use this footage in the movie?
Yeah, yes.
All right, Kenny. I'll see you in a bit, buddy. Appreciate it.
This is one of the camp leaders. His name is Black. Bicycles are a form of currency for these people. You'll notice homeless people always have really nice bikes.
Oh man, that's like you just got post, huh? Here's Leslie. Here's Leslie.
I thought you were Sadie.
You may see homeless encampments briefly as you drive down the road, but once you're actually inside one, it seems kind of normal. Human beings living their lives in peace, trying to stay warm, comfortable, and fed.
Kind of will the fire. Wait for me. Give it. Back. Use that energy force and put it out in my mind or something. You know what I'm saying? Because it's just an element. And my elemental thinking can take that shit out. You see that? Using all the other elements like the wind at my disposal. Look at it. Whipping it around, just pushing it back. Yeah, that fire is awesome.
Get in that chair right there and do it.
Trevor saw something in Black and put him to the test.
Push it back. Hey. Fire is a good element. And plus, I got Black for Cherokee in me, so I'll be like,
The movie, T-Bird, was conceptualized without a script. The film was shot in chronological order, and so there was always the opportunity to add new characters, scenarios, or plot points.
Angle the glasses a little more toward me.
Like this?
Yeah, up a little bit. Now in the fire. No, on your, like, do it with your face, not with the.
I like
yeah,
that?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Down, right there. Now look into the fire. Oh, fuck. Fire's in your eyes.
It's too much. Too much fire, huh?
It's just sick. It's a sick shot. Yeah, but it's burning my fucking ass off.
You're hot, huh? That's one of my resident haters right there.
Alright, we're good,
He hates
man.
on me. But it makes me, strive for better things. I just give him love.
Tilt your face toward me a little bit more. Right there. Now look into the fire. Now do the fucking chant, but don't move your face.
The magic of some of these shots using organic homelessness is reminiscent of the beautiful cinematography of the Oscar-winning movie, The Revenant. Now watch Trevor set up an improvised monologue for this guy.
The other guy where his baby is about the monster in the wetlands. He took his baby.
Took his baby?
Yeah, but talk to the fire.
The fire says the baby is with wetland monster. Probably somewhere in the middle of the baseball field, man. You don't go up there, man. Even the spirits up there come down here at night. That's why it gets so cold. 25 degrees difference, man. Around this time. I wouldn't go up there, man. Give me the freaky jeekies. So good luck. Fire say no go. So I'm staying. I will not be your guide. Let the spirits be with you.
Not bad for a non-actor.
Keep going, dude. The fire in the eyes is what's fucking killing us. Is making it cool. So anything you do or say is gonna be sick because the fire's in your eyes.
You see, fire, it lives. It breathes on oxygen. As long as it has oxygen, it will eat everything up. Just like fire in your belly, trying to find that baby. You want that car, don't you? Well, you have to go deep, long and hard, in places you don't even want to think about to get what you love. So, I don't know, man. I do it for a girl, but not a car. Good luck to you, Maggie. Just like that. And don't break your leg.
Yeah, hold it up to your face.
Oh, yeah. See that?
Angle your face a little more toward me.
Yeah. See that?
Where's the fire? Where's
That
the
means
fire?
you got a chance.
Do it again. Do it again.
See that? That means...
Don't look at the camera.
Yeah. You see that? That means you got a chance.
And this is called good direction.
Yeah.
Now talk.
Huh?
Now say some shit.
This represents your car on fire. You better go get it and put it out before it burns up. It's up there, man. I'm not going up there. Even the spirits run from whatever's up there. So, God be with you. Peace. And that's all you got from me. You better get your car before it burns up, boy. You see that? The fire tells the truth. That's right. Whee! Damn. Hot.
Good job, Black. Trevor Sims, who is also the director of the movie, played the lead role of T-Bird. A majority of the character traits and movements were based on learned methods that Trevor picked up on from studying and spending time with real homeless people.
You going back? You going back? Hang on. Come here. I got you on camera. You're in a movie.
There was not one homeless person in the movie who was not actually homeless. All homeless characters were played by real homeless people.
Hey, bud. I got some cell phones. Yeah? You need some cell phones? Give me some. Give me some. I want this. I don't want this sock. I don't want a sock.
You want it, cash? I don't want no cell phone. Let me see it. Put it right there.
Give me my thing.
Put it right there.
Give me my thing, dog.
Their performances and authenticity are tremendous.
Here.
Thank you, Kevin. Come on, look, listen. Yes, you motherfuckers over here.
You got a cigarette? I know. You got a lighter? I don't got a lighter. Don't got a lighter.
Who got the lighter?
Right here.
Hey, Bruce, you got the lighter, dog?
Sometimes filming would start before the homeless person was even aware that they were part of a movie. This created oftentimes candid moments that could have never been created with trained actors, rehearsals, or a script. Like this guy wasn't so happy when he woke up and thought he was getting his boots stolen, but soon after he realized and was treated to some money and a coffee.
All right, I'm gonna let you get him. He's the shot.
Put him back. Put him back. Hey! Burns, I will kill you, motherfucker. Put them back.
Trevor can be heard from behind the camera explaining to this gentleman that they're shooting a movie, that he's going to give him his boots back, and asks if he can up the intensity of his anger.
You think I'm joking around?
Give me some money too. We're doing a movie. Just play along. I got it all. I'll give it right back. Just get mad at me. Ah!
I don't think the man fully understands, then burps.
Somebody call a cop. Somebody call a cop. Call a cop. Thank you. You're going down. Thank you.
We're shooting a movie. Let me get you some money. I'm serious.
Go ahead. I have something you don't want.
He says he has ringworm,
Ringworm.
Oh, yeah?
I have ringworm. You don't want that.
then farts.
What do you want? What do you want?
He's getting some money right now.
What a tremendous sport, an incredible talent, and a beauty to work with. Truly a wonderful experience. Back to sleep he goes. This is Bruce. Bruce lived off of the off-ramp near Jefferson Boulevard, in a ditch outside of a business complex.
Yeah, just act like I'm not here. Like, don't talk to me. Just
okay.
do whatever you would do if I wasn't here. Don't even look at me.
Take a nap. Go ahead.
Bruce took direction wonderfully.
So knows. Bad through. Okay, let me see.
We often look past homeless people. It is rare that we ever get an up-close and personal view of them such as this. An old man living on the side of the road, perhaps someone's father or grandfather. Sometime, somewhere down the line, something went bad, and that's what led him here. But he is real. He breathes air and has feelings. When he's hungry, he eats. When he's tired, he sleeps. And in this particular moment, he's captured for eternity. His thoughts, we don't know. But he did a spectacular job with this role, not looking into the camera and being natural, something that all actors must learn. And Bruce did it so easily.
Nice. Nice work, Bruce.
Several months earlier, Trevor met Bruce while filming another improvised walking and talking scene. He saw him sitting at the corner of the intersection holding a sign asking for money.
Did you have $5 on you?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
He asks his cameraman if he has $5 on him, anticipating an improvised interaction with the beggar ahead. Trevor approaches Bruce in character, without warning.
I need $5.
Trevor notices the camera's in the wrong angle and switches sides.
I need $5.
For what?
Just put the money in the bag.
Bag?
Just put the money in the bag.
What bag?
The fucking bag.
If you hit me, it's a felony. You know that, I'm senior.
The gentleman explains, if you hit me, it's a felony, and bails.
Put the $5 in the bag. Put the $5 in the bag.
That's robbery.
$5 in the bag.
That's robbery. On film.
$5 in the bank. You got $5?
$2.
The man, not knowing it's a skit, gives Trevor his last $2.
Give me the $2.
Peace, Joe.
Hang on, I'm gonna take it again.
All right.
I'm gonna pull $2 out again. I'm not really gonna
I'll
take
be
it.
robbing.
No. It's just, we're just doing a movie. But pull the $2 out again when I ask you for it. Put it back in there.
Do what now?
I'm gonna ask you for the $2 again, you pull it out again. Like you just did, but we're gonna do it again.
Okay.
So put it back in your pocket.
That was natural. Now I got to take it.
It's okay.
I know.
Just put it in your pocket. It's so natural.
Stay on here.
Put it back in your pocket.
What?
Give me the fucking, give me $5. Give me your $5. Give me the $5. Get a shot of the money in my hand.
Yeah.
The goal of the scene was for T-Bird to get a couple bucks so that he can go buy some drugs.
Got it?
Yeah.
I need to start getting that.
I have a $6 gift card.
From where? To where?
It's for anywhere.
All right, I'm gonna give you a $6 gift card just for participating. Was that pretty good, or should we keep shooting it?
We can do it a little bit one more
Should we
time.
shoot it one more time?
Yeah.
It says $6.30. You can use it anywhere.
Okay.
Use it as credit.
And we're gonna do what we did just now one more time, okay?
Use it as credit. It'll work.
All right, let's start right here. Start on him.
Yeah.
They go for 2 more takes, and the scene is in the can.
Sit back down like you were.
What side? Yeah.
I need $5. I need $5.
$5. No, you can't have $5.
Put the fucking money in the bag.
No.
Put the fucking money in the bag.
Jason, what are you doing? My partner's across the street. Jason's
Keep
over
filming,
there
keep filming.
across the street.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I need the fucking $5 in the bag. Give me the $5.
I'm gonna call the police. I'm gonna call the police.
Give me the $5.
Yeah, I'm gonna call the
Give me
police.
the $5. Give me the fucking $5. Where's your fucking pockets? Give me your fucking pockets, you motherfucker. We'll fucking choke you out. Fucking choke your ass out. Give me the fucking pockets.
The last take was a little too aggressive, but it gives them options in the editing room.
You got the $5.
Do that again.
Hey, buddy. Thanks for being such a good sport. Here's your money back. What was your name?
Bruce.
What's your last name, Bruce?
Calvert.
Calvert? Calvert with a V. Are you always right here? Where do you stay?
Right here on the seat in the bushes.
In these bushes right here? Okay, so we're gonna keep doing this movie, and I like the way you participated. Is it okay? Do we have your permission to use this for the movie, what we just shot?
Yeah.
Okay, so, and then I'll come.
Just keep these things coming.
Yeah.
Exactly. So, but we'll give you just cash next time.
Somebody called the fire department on us, I think.
Oh, really?
Oh, okay. We'll stop, John. So anyway, Bruce, I just wanted to thank you.
Yeah.
And so I know where you're at now, and we'll keep talking.
This is pay for any merchandise.
You can go to any
need a
shop.
jacket, fucking bad.
Yeah. We're shooting a little movie.
You know what I saw with the camera? When someone called, he's worried.
A fire truck and an ambulance was called.
All right, buddy.
They arrived quick.
Thank you. Okay, Bruce, so we'll talk to you in a bit, all right?
Oh, hi, what's your name?
Trevor.
Kevin.
Kevin?
Kevin without the K. Thank you, man.
Hey, let's get this guy.
Yeah, I'm rolling.
Hey, dog.
How's it going, man?
You got $5?
No.
You got $5 for me?
Yeah.
Give me your $5.
They called the cops.
I know you got $5, bro. I know you got $5. Don't make me take it from you, boy.
Rob the bank.
Rob a bank? You ain't got no $5 on you?
No,
Promise me?
promise.
Next time I see you, I want to see $5.
That will do.
What's your name, bro? What's that?
Jason.
Sorry, we got you.
No, I know. I know what's going on.
Oh. What was your full name?
Jason.
Jason, what's your last name?
Pyatt.
Pyatt?
Pyatt.
Pyatt? You stay around here too?
Yep.
Which, in the bushes right here?
Yep.
Nice. Okay, so we're doing this movie. So, can we use this and we'll keep using you for the movie? So, name your full name again?
Jason Pyatt.
And it's okay if we use this for the movie?
Yeah.
Okay, and my name's Trevor. So, we're gonna, I know where you're at now.
Yep.
So when we get more ideas, we'll come see you. I'll give you some cash and stuff to help you out. Much appreciated, brother.
Yeah. I knew what was going on. I was just.
I knew you did.
Someone called like.
Yeah, I know, right?
You know,
Yeah.
it's like, they didn't know what they said. You know?
Yeah.
And I wasn't sure. And I'm like, you guys following him around with the camera. You know, I know.
Jason,
You guys have a good day.
my new friend.
Yeah, you too, man. Have a good one. You got $5. Yeah, dude, they're everywhere, man. Stay in the bushes? Yeah. You in those bushes? Yeah.
This wasn't the only time the police were called during production, not by a long shot. The movie took 3 years to produce. The early part of the story was heavily influenced by homelessness. Movie magic was made on this day, at this intersection. T. Bird, the character, later goes on to become a hero, to show that even though someone is homeless, they may look down on their luck, but don't count them out just
You wanna
yet.
give me $5? You wanna give me $5? $5. $5. $5. Pick me up, I'll take $5. You pick me up, I'll take $5. Pick me up, I take $5. Pick me up and I'll take $5. I clean up very nicely when I have $5. Pick me up, I'd like $5. I'd like $5. Pick me up, I'd like $5. I'd take $5 if you pick me up, please. Pick me up, I'd take $5. Pick me up, I'd take $5. I'd take $5. Ah! 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 Fuck you! Fuck! 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 Fuck!
I got the $5! I got the $5! I got $5!
Then, this highway patrol car yells something at them over the intercom. They run back to their car, which is stashed illegally off the highway, and call it a day as to not get arrested. Their buddy, a co-producer on the film, comes out of the bushes and they make their great escape. Outside of the studio structure of Hollywood, these are the majors: stealing the shots, shooting without permits, fleeing from police, and making it out alive with the footage. Stay tuned for more. This is only part 1 of the making of T-Bird. Make sure and subscribe. We'll see you soon.